Braylon, what are you doing? Go. Go again. Here he goes. Hold on. What has he got in his... Get that out. Look at him. Watch. Look. Oh my gosh. Braylon, what are you doing? Good job. Now what are you going to do? Okay. There he goes again.
Where's my phone at?
Braylon, go move. Move, Braylon. No. Braylon, move your big burrito. Braylon.
Braylon, just stand up.
Stop shaking your butt.
Right in front of your face. Oh gosh, okay.